Hi, welcome to the language channel. In today's video, we will share how to summarize an academic article. So we can use and apply the same skills for articles. If you have thesis that you want to summarize, or you have other long forms of text like essays that you can summarize in 4 simple steps. So the very first step, especially for academic tests and examinations, very often there are requirements that are given to you. So please read the requirements carefully to make sure that you're answering the question. What are the given requirements? Are you supposed to summarize the advantages and the disadvantages? Or are you just supposed to summarize the advantages alone? Next, take note of the paragraphs that you're supposed to summarize to ensure that you don't go to the wrong paragraph and retrieve the wrong information. The second step is once you're clear of the requirements, you can start to annotate the text. In other words, you should start to make certain notes in your text passage to make sure that you have identified the right points. Start by highlighting or underlining the key points in the text. Number your points if you are required to do so that you can keep track of the total number of points. Make sure to avoid identifying the irrelevant points because you will be wasting your time and no marks will be awarded for irrelevant points. So once you have identified all the points and you're satisfied that you have not missed out on the important points, the next step is to actually start writing your summary. Now, most of the time in a lot of academic tests and examinations, you are often asked to write in your own words. Now, if that is the case, make sure that you paraphrase your points, because if you do not do so, you will be penalized. And of course, while paraphrasing, make sure that you do not change the original meaning of the sentences. If you change the original meaning, it means that the point is different from what is required by the examiners, and if that's the case, no marks will be awarded. And the last step in this 4-step process is to check, revise, and rewrite. Many students actually choose to skip this step. I do not know what is the reason for them doing so, but this is an important step if you want to improve on the quality of your summary. I think some of them, just because they're running out of time or just simply under the pressure of exam conditions, they just skip this step, and they're just relieved that they have finished writing the summary itself. Before you hand in your summary, always check for grammar and spelling errors to make sure that you have not made any language errors, because usually there is a score that is being given for the entire paper and you do not want this to affect your overall score. Rewrite some phrases if necessary, so if you're not completely satisfied with some of the phrases, please go back and rewrite some of these phrases. If you're writing your answer in foolscap paper, be sure to leave a line so that you give yourself more space to work with if you make mistakes. You can easily go back and just cancel off some of these mistakes and rewrite those expressions. And of course, what you want to do is to make sure that the entire summary reads fluently. Now, the way you can do so is to use transitional devices to improve the overall flow of the summary text, so that the points do not appear to be disjointed and you want the passage to be coherent. So transitional devices, just to give you some examples, will be like besides, in addition, furthermore. So this will actually help with the overall coherence of the summary text, and with luck, you will be awarded a higher language score. And finally, make sure that you do not exceed the word count limit if there's one that is given to you by the summary exercise. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like and a subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.